Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to unblock someone on Instagram. So in order to unblock someone on Instagram which you already blocked, you only need to click on the search icon, and here you need to type the username of that person. Like in my case, in my previous video I had showed that I had blocked this person. So in order to unblock this account, I need to click on this profile icon of this person, and here I need to click on the unblock option, and again I will need to select the unblock option. And now you can see that Salujalo is unblocked, and I can view their profile if they open on their profile publicly. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to unblock someone on Instagram. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.